Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Digite, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save money on Shein. So in order to do that, first of all launch Shein application on your mobile device. Now, in order to save money on Shein, you can use certain codes in order to get certain discounts on your purchases and orders. Like you can see on the homepage, you can use the codes given in order to get $5 off, 15% off, or even 20% off. You can also gain various points. So, in order to check that, tap on me and then tap on the option of points. Now over here you can see your Shein points. In my case, I don't have any points right now. So while you are about to check out with your order, make sure that you use your points that you have in order to get certain reductions on prices. Now you can also tap on coupons, and you can see various coupons available to you, and all you have to do is tap on the option of apply so that you can get certain reductions on the prices of your orders and purchases. Now in order to use these coupons and points, you have to purchase a product. So just go to your cart and select the order you want to purchase and tap on the option of checkout. Now make sure that you have filled in all your details like shipping address, shipping method, and also payment method accordingly. Now if you scroll down below, you'll see the option of apply coupon. So if you tap on it, you can see various coupons recommended to you. If you wish to, you can also apply coupon codes and simply tap on the option of apply before you tap on checkout. Now, if you tap on view more, you can see the option of points. If you tap on that option, you will be able to use your points in order to get certain reductions on your purchase. So that's how you can simply save money on Shein. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.